All right, this is Gym Shoe Decoy Challenge, what everyone's been waiting for. 30,000 pound excavator. Going over one of the two brands here I know everyone can recognize. I don't want to talk about anyone. And then one of our Gym Shoe EVA plastic. It's plastic. It's not foam, it's plastic. All right, here we go. We're gonna pop this back out, just like that. Let me get my operator in the machine. All right, jump in there, boy. Hopefully it grabs that. We might have to put that bucket down first. Let's get her going. All right, set her up. Okay, now here's what I want you to do. Jump out. Come on over here. I want you to try to pop these apart. Try to get these two back to normal. First. I don't know. How do you do it? Can you get it back? I mean, is there any way to do it? I want you to really try on this one too. I think anyone could see that there ain't no way in, holy heck, these are coming out without cutting holes in them and doing all kinds of other stuff. All right. Now go to Gym Shoe Decoy. Go to Gym Shoe Decoy. Lift it up. Stick your hand in and pop it out. Pop it all the way out. Okay. Now everyone will notice that these decoys. This is about how they look when they come in the package. Right there, just like this. So if a guy was to run over with a 30,000 pound excavator and run over it, you can heat this up and it'd be perfect. And we're gonna do that tonight. So everyone knows, you're just gonna have to trust me. This will be part 2. I'm gonna blow it out and make this thing look perfect for you. We're gonna do, let's do a couple more. Part 2 will be expensive. You guys know what it is. It's a fully flexed shell, expensive brand. Don't want to say the name. You guys all know this one too. Hard plastic, and it goes by the name G and something else. Okay, so we'll try that right now. And we're also going to take one of our motion decoys, which is a foam, and we're going to put that under there. This has been sitting out on my front lawn for 2 years. No joke, it's beat up. It's got a crack right there. It's been sitting out there for 2 years. To be continued.